Add this to your coffee to rebuild muscles fast after 60. Most people over 60 believe that rebuilding muscle is nearly impossible. But what if I told you that the secret boost could actually be in your morning coffee? Imagine starting your day with one simple addition that fuels your muscles, fights aging, and gives you the strength you thought was gone forever. As we age, our muscle mass naturally declines, a condition called sarcopenia. That's why so many people after 60 complain about weakness, fatigue, or slower recovery. But here's the good news. Research now shows that combining coffee with the right nutrient can dramatically support muscle rebuilding. And no, it's not sugar or cream, it's protein. Specifically, adding a scoop of collagen or whey protein powder into your morning coffee gives your body the amino acids it needs to rebuild and repair muscle tissue. Think about it. Coffee already gives you energy, improves circulation, and even boosts fat burning. But when you mix it with protein, you're creating a powerful combination. The caffeine helps deliver nutrients into your muscles faster, while the protein provides the raw materials your body craves. Studies show that older adults who increase their protein intake see better strength, improved balance, and even faster recovery after workouts or daily activity. And adding it to coffee makes it easy. No extra meal prep, no complicated recipes. Collagen is especially effective because it supports not only your muscles, but also your joints, skin, and bones, all critical after 60. Just one scoop in your morning coffee can make a noticeable difference over time. It's a habit so simple yet so powerful, most people overlook it. So the next time you brew your coffee, don't just drink it plain. Add collagen or whey protein, and you'll be giving your muscles exactly what they need to rebuild fast. Remember, it's never too late to get stronger. Your morning coffee can become your secret weapon to staying active, independent, and energized after 60.
Stay fit. Stay strong. See you in the next video.